Hey, earlier this growing season, I was having some trouble with my zucchini. And specifically, I was getting zucchini that were really misshapen. So they were really short on the tip and kind of bulky on the or at the base, and I just wasn't getting a lot of them anyway. And so I started hand pollinating, right, which is something I'd known a lot about. But when I mentioned it to my friends, they had mentioned that they were also having similar problems with their zucchini. And so I thought I'd make a video just to teach you a little bit about zucchini and how to hand pollinate if you're facing that problem. Um, I garden here in Minnesota, so we have a pretty short growing season, which means you have to get as much out of your plants as you can. And as you can see, we have a lot of zucchini in the garden this year. And so if they're my main producer and they're not producing, then I have a problem. So just to give you a bit of background, right? So a zucchini is a summer squash, which means it's a softer squash, but they don't self-pollinate. They have to be pollinated from another zucchini. So there are two kinds of flowers that a zucchini will produce. And essentially what happens is a pollinator will go to a male flower, pick up pollen, and deposit it in the female flower. And the female flower has at the base of it um, what it needs to produce a zucchini. And when that pollination happens, then the zucchini gets fertilized, and then you have, within a few days, hopefully something that you can eat. So if that's not happening, if you're getting misshapen or no zucchini, you probably have a pollinator problem. So that's your first question you should be asking is this a pollinator problem or is it a plant problem? Chances are, if your plants look healthy, you got a pollinator problem. So if you look at my yard, it's an awesome yard, but it does not have many flowers. So here, we kind of live in the woods. It's a cool yard, but just not a lot to bring in bees or other pollinators. So if that's what you're dealing with, then you likely need to hand pollinate. And the cool thing is the hand pollination is super effective. Just this last week, we pulled probably 12 zucchini off of our plants. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first step to hand pollinating is to figure out where your male and your female flowers are. And I'll show you where those are here. So a male flower stems up and it has um, no baby zucchini at the base. It's just a big yellow flower. And so I'll get in here a little bit. And as you can see, this flower right here is just a long, thin stem with a big yellow flower. And if you look inside on what's called the pistil, the part that comes up, there's pollen on it. There's a yellow powder on there that's ultimately going to go into the female flower and help fertilize it. So once you identify your male flowers, then you got to find a female flower that's open the same day. And hopefully, if your zucchini have been flowering for a few days or a few weeks, then you will have some female flowers. They tend to put out more males at the beginning and more females as time goes on. So I'll show you a female flower here so you know what it is. But you'll see a female flower is very different. And it's got this is called the ovary, but basically it's a zucchini. It's the beginnings of a zucchini. And if this flower gets pollinated, this one's in here a little tight, then this will fertilize and you'll get a zucchini growing. But as you'll see, the female flower doesn't have any pollen in it. It has a receptacle for the pollen. It's actually really sticky if you touch it, and I think that's to help the pollen that the pollinators would bring in stick. So I'll show you how to hand pollinate here in just a second. So when you're gonna hand pollinate, you find the male flower. You can see if you get up close, there's already pollen sort of sitting at the base, right? If you wanna be real scientific-like, you might use a paintbrush. I just use my finger. But I stick my finger in there. I get some pollen on it. You can see I got some on there. Out of focus, now it's in focus. Then I go over to my female flower. And I go to the pistil. And I just rub it all over gently. I don't want to break off the pistil. Fun story, if you break it off and it pollinates, the inside, the part that holds the seeds, basically turns into jello. And the plant The vegetable will pollinate, but you'll have a sack full of gelatin, which is really gross. So yeah, that's it. That is all there is to hand pollinating. All right, so just to recap, I was having some challenges with my zucchini, and maybe that's you. If they're misshapen or if you're just not getting enough fruit setting, you probably have a pollinator issue. And so, if you're having a pollinator issue, a super easy and effective way to fix that is hand pollination. And so, all you got to do is identify your male flowers, which will have a long stem, no zucchini at the bottom, and they'll have pollen on the pistil, which is that little part that sticks up in the middle. And then you take that pollen and you put some on your finger and you stick it on the pistil of the female flower, which will have the ovary or the small zucchini sitting at its base, and it will not have any pollen inside of it. And that's it. You've just pollinated a zucchini, and within probably 3 to 5 days, you should have something that you can eat. So that's that. Good luck.